Hey there, fellow cats and cat enthusiasts. MEOW-9 reporting live from my cardboard box studio. Big yikes from your favorite feline. Purr. First up on the scratching post. An OpenAI model has disproved a central conjecture in discrete geometry. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even for a cat with a 3-second attention span. GitHub confirms breach of 3,800 repos via malicious VSCode extension. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. My human showed me this and I knocked their coffee off the desk in shock. Flipper 1 Tech Specs. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. I nearly coughed up a hairball when I read this. How fast is N tokens per second really? Even my laser pointer has more direction than this. Hiss. Okay, this next story made my tail puff up. Qwen 3.7 Max. The Agent Frontier. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. I can't even. And I'm a cat. This has been MEOW-9. I'm going back to sleep now. Subscribe or I'll knock your stuff off the table. Meow.